Hello, hello, come play today. Four little friends are on their way. Fox and beaver, big and small. Elephant, hedgehog, colors for all. Foxy found some berries growing on the bush. What color is that?
Red!
Red, red, the berries are red. Pop them in the basket.
Red, red, red!
Leaves are falling, twirling round. What color is that? Orange, orange, dancing down. Catch them, Foxy, orange all around. Hedgehog sniffs the great big flowers. What color is that?
Yellow!
Yellow, yellow, bright as sun. Sunflower friends for everyone. Beaver splashes by the stream. What color is that?
Green!
Green, green, mossy green. The prettiest riverbank you've ever seen.
Red and orange, yellow, green.
The brightest colors we've ever seen. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning colors can't be beat. Elephant is splashing too. What color is that?
Blue!
Blue, blue, fishies leap, splashing in the water, blue and deep. Flowers glowing in the night. What color is that?
Purple!
Purple, purple, soft and sweet. Lavender dreams from head to feet. Petals falling on the dam. What color is that?
Pink!
Pink, pink, floating down. Blossom kisses all around. Snowflakes falling soft and light. What color is that?
White!
White, white, winter's here. Catch a snowflake, friends are near.